Hey, here comes Geppetto. Welcome to my channel. This is something a little different. I watch a lot of YouTube, but also a lot of the Revive channel people. So like Andy Schrock. Sometimes I watch Braille. This is an Aaron Kyro deck. Watch John Hill, Jonny Giger, and I like what they do for skateboarding. I skateboarded a fair amount in college, and a lot of the skate culture was like, I don't know, if you didn't do things the right way, then you got made fun of and things. But they promote like a culture of just having fun and being yourself, which I really like. So I also thought it'd be fun to get these new tech decks. The ones that I had when I was younger were a lot narrower. So I was particularly wanting the John Hill deck or the Jonny Giger one, but this pack had Aaron Kyro and then this cat one, which is cool too. So I wanted to open it and just show you what it is. So I open these kind of in an unusual way. I don't like to tear the cardboard, so I go around and cut the plastic. That way, if I want to put it back in the package, I can. Thing is, you gotta be super careful when you're cutting this kind of plastic, especially with something like this, so you don't cut yourself. Okay. Geppetto's here. My cat Geppetto's here to join me. He's probably pretty stoked too. So here's some cool little miniature stickers. I'll leave that in the packaging for now. Buddy, you gotta get back. When I was younger, they didn't apply the grip tape. I mean, they did it, so you didn't have to. You probably can't tell, but if you look very closely, these wheels say Force right up here at the top. And that's pretty cool because the company that the co-owners of Revive own is also Force wheels. So here's the Aaron deck. Pretty cool. Some Techdeck grip tape. I know that professional fingerboards usually have a foam grip tape. This is just sandpaper, kind of normal grip tape. Here's a Jonny Giger deck. These two, in the fall, they always put out a sort of like Halloween themed graphic for their new fall decks, and that's what these two were. That's why they're skulls. This is John Hill's first pro model, and at the time he lived in LA. Buddy, Geppetto, this is not for you to do. And you can see they put a little camera there because he's really good at filming himself, doing vlogs and skate tricks. I recommend you check out his channel. And then this is I don't know what line this came out with, but it's pretty cool, I think. I can't fingerboard, but a shove it is not too hard. Whoa. Well, let me put the grip tape on this one. Oh, well, actually first, it comes with this cute little skate tool. Oops, this cute little skate tool. The other thing that's kind of cool is the only other color of wheels that I know of that Force Wheels has put out is red, because Andy Schrock is a big fan of red, and so they included red wheels too, and then hardware, and then 6 trucks. Okay. According to the many setup videos I've watched, you gotta put it like this, kinda. Then press in the middle. Oh no! I didn't get it lined up just right. Oh well, it's stuck. Suppose I could do what you do on a real skateboard. I don't suppose this is recommended. Well, that part doesn't look the best. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Pretend I ollied. Man, I'm terrible. This is a little too high, maybe. I am so bad at this. How do people do it? A lot of practice, I guess. Buddy, get out of the way, please.